But I got an explanation for it.
Very good morning, everybody. Euclid, you ready to go? Oh, you got your wet weather pants now.
I'm sitting last night.
Yeah.
When I came back.
Yeah.
And then I getting everything ready and all that. You know where this pant was packed?
Yeah.
Right at the bottom of my bag. So even if you had to stop, we had to unpack everything.
Unpack everything, yeah. What about Patrick? Is Patrick out there? Or not yet?
I don't think so. We might be up.
Yeah. We still got like an hour to leave from the time. Yeah. But the rain comes in an hour.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's what I was checking just now.
Yeah. So when we leave, right? If you leave, maybe it's even 7:30 if you can leave.
Yeah.
You know,
but
we got a lot of rain.
As we ride, Arik,
yeah.
we might miss the weather. Eh? I mean, it's going to rain here.
Yeah.
But I'm just checking the cloud in South Africa.
Yeah.
The furthest I done was 1,500 in one day.
Wow.
But
how old were you back then?
Sorry?
When you did that 1,500, how old were you?
That was 19, I'll tell you now, 1999. I left for Australia in 2000.
23 years ago,
and my buddies told me, we're going to have a last ride with you.
Oh.
You know, before you leave. But there was this one stretch, like if you look in South Africa, like north. So we went from where I say Kimberley, we were up north through the Kalahari, and then we came down to Cape Town, right? It's 1,500 km, but there's one stretch like there through the Kalahari, right? There's like the furthest point, that's about 230 km from stop to stop, right? We've done it 55 minutes. You do it 272, 82, yay! And then, if we stop by a car wash or something, wash the bike. I will just
Wants to wash the bike while we're on the trip. Alright. And Abs is ready there as well, he's getting ready. So we're staying at the Narooma motel, and the motel owner was like, there are a few pubs around here, but there are no pubs very close here, right? There's one about maybe 15-minute walk from here. Now the owner of the motel here said, look, if you call Narooma Hotel, they might send you a bus to pick you up. So they did send a van, and they got us in. We got to the hotel, we had food, lots of drinks, lots of wine. So we were there until like maybe 9-10 o'clock. Got a bottle of wine, and we got back, and they also dropped us as well. The courtesy bus also dropped us, which was great, you know. So that's Narooma Hotel. If you are coming in Narooma here, give them a call. Lovely people, you know, they will help you out here. Today we wake up, it's actually going to be another rainy day, a very rainy day coming up again. The idea for today is to go from here to Bateman's Bay, and then we're going to turn left, go west to Canberra, and then from there we come down south towards Cooma and Jindabyne. Yeah.
Okay. I like oysters, but
Yeah.
not at 8:30 in the morning.
Is it only 8:30? Wow. Got here early. The oyster shit. Woohoo! And the cafe at the back. Open 7 days a week. The farm gate. Yep, that's the place. Ooh, curried scallop pie. That sounds good. But it's not cooked, I'm guessing.
No, so we cook them to order.
I also get the 2 plates of oysters.
Yeah, what oysters?
Kilpatrick, right? Sorry, Patrick.
2 dozen?
Yeah. Well, actually, it's, half a dozen has 6, right? Make 1 dozen. So,
1 dozen?
yeah. And I'll take a jumbo hot chocolate as well. Oh, look at that.
Oh, mate, here you go. Are you getting? Are you getting some cooked ones?
Yeah, I ordered the Kilpatrick ones. That's why I said sorry to you. Because his name is Patrick, and you're killing Patrick. I called before. I think somebody answered here. Because I wanted to check if you guys had oysters. Because usually when it rains, the next day you don't have oysters.
When you get 30 mil.
When you get what?
30 mil.
30 mil of rain? Oh, okay.
Usually the next couple of days are alright, it's just after that. Closes for a week.
Yeah.
He's gone the bloody full seafood.
I just haven't been
Nice and
bothered
warm.
having a shave.
Yeah.
I shaved yesterday, I swear to God. How are you?
Oh, sorry, I didn't get the...
Yum. No like that yet. Tabasco sauce.
Oh, yeah. They might have it there, Tabasco. They put a lot of bacon in this one. And they're big too. So from here on, we're going on a King's Highway. Beautiful road for about 100 kilometers. The half of the road is good. The half of the road up to Canberra is boring. Right, once we get to Canberra, then the part that we go from Canberra to Cooma, I've not done that part before. Go on that slip line if you guys can see. So just gonna go to see that where it just formed 2 lanes. Gonna go up there. Huh? I know. Gonna quickly do a photo and get out. Those guys are looking at us. They're like going, hi. Oh, he's gonna come. He's gonna come and tell us off.
Yeah.
Oh, police is coming. They're coming. Yeah, what's coming?
You're going to give us a ticket or...
Yeah, we can keep on going. Just go. We're going. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's okay. You're good. Yeah, we saw the no standing sign, but I was like, okay, let's go do a photo. Today we came from Narooma, but we came from Melbourne. So Melbourne, we got to Narooma last night. Stayed in Narooma. Then this guy has never been to Canberra before. I want to be to Canberra, so.
I've got a bug inside the helmet.
Oh, no. And then.
Fucking be what? Or something.
It's a beer.
No. But you get,
Yeah, and then.
when you're riding and you get a bug, no, it didn't bite me. I could feel something.
You get a bug in there. You go.
Yeah, and then we go over to Cooma, down to Cooma, and staying the night in Jindabyne. And then tomorrow we do Charlotte Pass, come back to Thredbo, Uncoven, Tumut. So end up in Tumut for tomorrow night, and then depends how the weather holds up. We either take a highway or take a nice twisty road back down to Melbourne. Yeah. What about you guys? It's working?
Well, lucky the weather, even when it was raining, didn't just sort of drop below 18, 19 degrees, so you're getting wet.
Yeah. Like there are days where I've done rides and after the temperature it's like 12 degrees and you feel like chill. I'm like, oh, this is chilly. Not today. Today it's like better. Like people on the road are okay and sun comes out every now and then. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we going next?
Red Hill Lookout. Still in Canberra. Alright, so me and the boys have come here to the lookout. The Red Hill Lookout. But my chain has started making clacking noise. You get most of Canberra to see here. And a lot of old city you see. And for some reason there's actually a TARDIS down there if you guys want to time travel. Yeah, it is a toilet, but it's like designed, like colored like TARDIS, right? So if you do want to go to future or in the past. Alright, so what we got to do is basically we're going to keep on going towards our next destination, and if we do find a food, we'll discuss the food. Okay, just ask Abisekh, because Abhishek's not on a comms with us. Just ask him, does he have any preference for food? Like, does he? Anything, alright, cool. Good catch. You should play for South Africa. You sure you don't want water?
Sorry? Oh, no, I've got water.
Is it cold, or did you put it in the fridge at the place or not?
No, it stays cold. It doesn't.
Oh yeah, let's see if he can play for Australia. Patrick! Hey, he can play for Australia too. There's a place I put in there. It's a train station.
Okay.
So old train station, closed line. We might not find anything there, but it's just an old town.
We'll check it out.
You gonna put the drone up?
I'd like to, but
Yeah, okay. Hello. Nah, not me. I'm not gonna do the drone.
okay.
Because I've already done drone for this exact lookout. So I was actually asking him if he wanted to do the drone. But he's too hot.
Starting to cook in it.
And this is the old part of Cooma.
Oh, okay.
And, let's go.
Same way out.
Yeah. Sorry, we got 2 more motorcyclists coming. The 2 more motorcyclists are coming down. Patrick. Now, so we gotta go that way, and there's a boom gate, right? And once you pass the boom gate, keep on straight. The cabin numbers are, so we are here right now. The boom gates are here. Keep on going. Keep on the right. Right? You'll see 85 and 86. That's both hours.
Was it 84 and 85 or?
Yeah, 85, 86.
85, 86. Okay. I'll move it a bit further. I'll move it a bit further for you.
Okay. All good?
All good.
Did you guys like the rain?
You didn't have a choice.
So if you knew it was gonna be this rain, would you have cancelled?
No. No. I was looking forward to the trip, so
Yeah.
if it's rain, you can't predict the weather. Man.
Yeah.
Like if you knew that this is the rain you were gonna do, would you cancel?
No fucking way.
Good answer. Did you make it to your place?
Was it?
Did you make it to your apartment or room?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
How was the ride?
I'm a bit tired today,
You're a bit tired today, yeah?
but I got an explanation for it.
Exp-
No, see, if you're doing a lot of twisties, right?
Yeah.
You're moving on the bike in forwards.
Yeah.
Trying to sit. Yeah. It's part of it. Like I told you, the drone on my engine, that
Yeah.
frequency of the I was starting to play with the gears and all that.
Oh yeah, this place.
Oh, it looks like a American donut.
Oh, it's closed though. Damn it. They've got a burger, a chicken burger with sriracha sauce. Good. Very good.
They got best burger ever.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. So tomorrow, you're gonna be tired again?
Nah.
You're not gonna be.
Listen, you, how old are you? 32? 33.
No, he's 33.
30 years on you. He's made the same, so just back off here.
No, I'm not. No, he did good. And tomorrow there's going to be a lot of twisties again. But I think it's the same amount of kilometers tomorrow as well. It's not heavy kilometers.
No, it's just when you get twisties, irrespective, you're still moving. You know, on the
Yeah.
bike, not sitting over.
But tomorrow the twisties are very tight.
Yeah.
You're gonna don't let your head go, oh no, this is too hard for me. We go over there that way, Charlotte Pass.
Ah, yeah.
Right? And then once we come back, we go turn right here and we go up to Thredbo from there, right? And Thredbo, the first few kilometers up to Thredbo, it's going to be wide, easy road. After Thredbo, that's where it tightens up.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
Rain.
I think the rain's passing. So,
Sure.
Yeah.
Before it was scary. That fucking lightning.
The lightning.
Like,
I'm sure I got it on GoPro. Like right in front of me, there was like a big.
Yeah.
Well, from about 2 o'clock, you might be getting some rain.
yeah, we'll be probably around 2 o'clock. Somewhere near Karabooma, our Karabooma place. And yeah, we'll be like pretty much like 3, 4 o'clock. We'll be done as well tomorrow, just like today.